This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I've got a neat Amazon Black Friday Cyber Monday hack for you to get the same Amazon Prime price even if you don't have an Amazon Prime subscription. Let's get started. So, this particular item, it's an Anchor portable power station. You can see the Prime member price is $219. And this is for a special Prime sale event, such as Black Friday Cyber Monday. Unfortunately, I don't have a Prime subscription. I have no intention of signing up for a Prime subscription. And if I want to get this item, I have to pay the regular price, $299. I don't want to pay $299. I want to pay this. And the way to do this is actually to go to another website to get the same items. There's two options that you have here. One is to go to another reputable retailer, which often have the same duplicate sales going on. The other one is just to go to the manufacturer's website, the brand website, if they have a website, and see if the same item is available and see what the price is. And lo and behold, for the very same item, it's the same Prime price. So what Anchor is doing, they're having their own Prime sale. They say that Prime Day last call. So during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I can get the Amazon Prime price if I'm an Amazon Prime subscriber, but I'm not. And if I'm not an Amazon Prime subscriber, I can just purchase the same item right here from Anchor. It's free shipping. And in fact, I'm pretty sure that Anchor is actually fulfilling those same orders on Amazon. So just go to the manufacturer's website and see if they have their own Prime sale. The other thing you can do if the manufacturer brand doesn't have their own website, go to Walmart or some other website where you have a login or you like using them and see if they have it available. So I did check out Walmart. They do have the item available, but there's no Prime discount at walmart.com. But I'm sure if I looked around on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Amazon's not going to be the only website having discount sales, having big Prime Day sales. Other retailers do the same thing, and the brands work with them to basically have the same discount across all these different sites. So that's the hack. Just go to the manufacturer's website first, and if they don't have a manufacturer's website, go to Walmart or Target or another big retailer that sells this stuff and see if they have their own Prime Day sale. A lot of times, these retailers will have the same Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale as Amazon, so you can get that discount even if you're not a Prime member. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.